Hey guys, before the video starts, I gotta tell you something. Recently I haven't been uploading. I did that live stream once, but that was just a test, okay? I want to know if it worked. I will do more feature streams, but I just wanted to tell you that I couldn't put the intro in. It's only the outro, okay? And I haven't been uploaded recently since I'm in grade 5 now. I have exams, tests, that stuff, but from now on, I'll do weekly uploads every day, Tuesday. Yeah. And when I say that, I promise you that. Okay. Let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the K28. Yeah. Pretty cool. So it is RGB lighting. And yeah, so I've been, playing on this for these 2-3 days now, and it's pretty good. And I'm gonna show you all the features. First of all, it has 9 different RGB modes. So I'm just gonna give you a little sound test here. Alright, that was the sound test. Now let's just show you the 9 different modes of the RGB lighting. Alright. The first thing you need to do is click FN. Okay? FN and SL. So this is one of the things. Whenever you press, it turns like this. I'm pressing the space bar. When I do this, it's gone. Okay, and then yeah, that's one of them. And then we have breathing. This is breathing. It goes out and then comes back. So that's breathing. That's breathing. And then, what is this? Here. So this is the line, whatever it's called. I don't know. So yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Then we have this. Just shows like WSD. Shows like this. WSD, and then alright. Next mode, we have moving. It just moves the color. See, I'm just gonna wait, what the? I need to keep doing this because I have turned off my Xbox. So it's not gonna be like a video. The next mode is this one. There's just like line going above them. You can see that black thing? Yeah. That's one of the other modes. And then we have this mode. Whenever key you press, it's like some type of cosmic boom. So that's one of them. And then we just have the normal color. Yeah. So this is pretty cool. And now it has blue switches. I can't show you right now because, yeah, but I can show you like this. So can see a little blue thing under there. Yeah. Those are blue switches, and they're very loud and clicky and tactile, but very loud if played in the night. It could wake up like everyone in your family. Like everyone. Then we have like thick blocks, you know. Not very thick, but it's awesome. Then we have this armrest here. Good for gaming, you know. Yeah. Overall, I think this is a mechanical gaming keyboard. Yes, this is my first mechanical gaming keyboard. I've seen a lot of reviews about this, and it is perfecto. Also, I got this from Amazon. The link will be like down in the description. Okay, I'm gonna see you later. Bye.